one. Bigger than normal.
So we are at the Audubon Center for Birds of Prey in Orlando, Florida, admiring some beautiful kites. Yeah, this is the female bald eagle, she said, right? That was
and the females are bigger.
quite a bit bigger than the male that we saw over at the ticket counter.
She's big for a female. He's small for a male.
Hello there, darling. So majestic. Oh, that's a falcon, right?
Yeah, that's a falcon.
Let's see if I can come get a better shot because there's glare from the sun on that part of the cage. Oh, that looks more like falcony to me than hawk to me, right? But maybe, I don't know. This problem is I never see them up close like this, right? They're always way up in the air or in a tall tree. Red-tailed hawk. Okay. And the coloring looks right according to this. Oh. Oh yeah. That is a vulture, I'm sure. What's he doing? Oh yeah. Might be building a nest or something on the ground. Or feeling like he needs to. Oh. Did you guys see the hawks up there? Oh, that kind is? Oh. Yeah, he's had this pile of sticks that he's been. Oh, just needed his space apparently. Needed to send the other one over here. Don't know why he couldn't fly to his own perch if he wanted to be alone, but. And the shoe? Anybody got any ideas why a vulture wants a shoe? Is that vulture preening the, what is that? And what is that bird? I don't recognize him. He's preening that one. What did you say he is, Mike? Caracara. Might be kind of symbiotic, right? They're getting bugs off of each other.
They're friends. We've been hanging out with the same species, but we're friends now.
He is, eh? And you're not talking about the vulture, right, Suzanne?
No, not
Vultures are so ugly.
Sorry, this one's really cool.
So Mike wants to go in. Here we go. I'm actually surprised they let us in. Oh, I see. They've got it roped. Okay. His name is Lance. Oh, it's a little owl.
very cool.
Okay, so now I see the sign. So that's a Lena, who is a falcon. Maitland, that's another name for a falcon. And then we've got Billy the Screech Owl back there. And Lance the Kestrel over here. The Kestrel's pretty. And you never expect owls to be so tiny. Do you?
I've seen pygmy owls, but those
Well, I remember like jogging through Paradise Valley one morning, Mia. It was
Yeah.
like just pre-dawn. It was so early. And as I was jogging, I saw this it had to be like a 5+ foot wingspan just fly right over me. And as I looked behind, I could see that it was a barn owl. Huge. The wingspan on that thing was amazing. He says, I want to fly.
So this is the Merlin falcon. And then Billy is the owl.
Oh. Vulture's still,
let me eat all the bugs off you.
still finding morsels on that crested caracara. Yeah. Mm-hmm. What do we have here?
These apparently don't have a good sense of smell.
Oh, this is another type of vulture,
How do
huh?
they find roadkill?
It says it follows the other turkey vultures. Smart guy.
Oh,
That's funny.
that's resourceful, huh?
But then they get seconds.
Here's the peregrine falcon. You're a pretty bird. Yes, you are. Oh, on the top of the beak? Uh-huh.
They're shaped like this. Actually, breathe through their
Oh, interesting.
sort of like the same way how a genus looks.
Ah. Well, I'm sure I know which got the inspiration from the other. Right? Oh, owls. Looks like the one's got his eye open. Got one eye open. Oh, yeah, they're snoozy though.
Wait, I hear that one.
I guess this video is probably because they're up under the shade. Can't imagine my video is picking them up very well.
No, not with this golden red. That's what happens.
So what kind of owls are these?
Great horn.
Great horned owls.
Horn.
Though the ears look like horns. They look so Oh, this one is not sleeping. Oh, is that one of them in the cage here, Tallulah? They had a tracker on her, obviously, and were able to get. Find her all the way down in southern Florida and all the way up to Canada. Missing what? Well, hello to you too. Wing did.
Yeah.
Part of the wing had to be. That's why she doesn't fly very well, obviously. Yeah. I mean, she's able to get up to that perch, right?
Yeah.
Warm day in Orlando, February 16th, 2023. About 80 degrees right now, 12:30 in the afternoon. Enjoying the Audubon Center of Prey, Center for Birds of Prey. And lovely little lake setting here. I don't know what lake this is. There are hundreds in Orlando. Muscovy ducks. Cardinal? So Muscovy ducks, there's a turtle down there. We saw a baby turtle earlier. Oh, there's the baby turtle. There, I've kind of got it centered now. Kind of on those weeds lying in the water. Grass, dry grass blades. Anyways, ducks and then cardinal. Where's the cardinal? Singing their heart out. Not bothered by us being so close to him.
I'm wondering if we had to guess it.
Oh, maybe so. Mia's gonna get some good shots of him. You see him?
What's in that hole there? I can't. My glasses are.
In this box up here, you're saying?
That one in the corner. Up there.
Oh, one in the corner. Oh yeah.
Is there something
I think
there?
there's something peeking out.
I can't see though enough. So that last.
The
one in
box
the
up
back.
here.
Oh, the one I don't
What's
have.
up there?
Yeah, there's just something peeking out. You won't get a picture of that though. Yep.
Just literally the perfect size for the
Yeah.
That's too cute.
One of the screech owls.
I'm hiding.
We've got somebody a little more social down here. Oh, a couple.